In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deposits in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, there's actually a few methods. I'm going to show you 3 of them. So the first one is going to be to go to List top left, and here you can go to Chart of Accounts. You could also press Ctrl+A to actually open this up because that's the default keyboard shortcut. And then what you want to do is just double click on the bank or checking account you want to view. So for example, I'm going to click on, let's just do this one over here. And as you can see, this is going to give you a list, and then you can scroll through your account register to locate the deposit, or of course you could also go and click on go to top left over here to basically select where you want to go to, and that way you can essentially basically kind of find them. Okay, that's the first way to do this. Now the second one is going to be by using the find tool. So to use the find tool, you want to go to edit top left, and then over here you'll see there's a find tool. Now you can also press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and the find tool is going to open up. Now what you want to do here is you want to go to the advanced tab, so not simple but advanced up top, and what you want to do under the choose filter list, which is basically over here, you want to select TXN type. So I'm going to scroll down to actually find this. So TXN type, it should be somewhere over here. Let me actually find it. It's actually, there we go, transaction type, there we go. And then over here, it's going to give you like a drop down, and you can just select deposit over here, there we go. And then from here, when you've done that, you can basically add any other filters, like maybe date or amount, and then click on the find button, and that's going to essentially find your deposits, okay? That's one way to do that as well. So remember how I said it was TXN type, apparently got changed, now it's transaction type, so just click on that, it's the same thing. Now method 3 is going to be to actually go to reports menu up top, and then here you can of course see there's a bunch of different things. Go to banking, and then here you can do deposit detail. Now whenever you do that, you can also customize your report and specify by dates, customers, amounts, etc. Then you can click on OK, and it's going to give you a report of your deposits. So that's how to find deposits. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.